Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essential prerequisites and then begin the upgrade right away. Check settings to verify you're on Windows Home and note the build number so you know compatibility. Back up critical files to an external drive or cloud and create a system image if you can. Next, make sure you have a valid Windows Pro product key or a digital license linked to your Microsoft account. This lets you activate without reinstalling. Once done, move to the activation panel to initiate the upgrade process. You now perform the core activation steps, which is where the upgrade actually happens. Open Settings, go to Update and Security, then Activation. Click Change Product Key and type the Pro key exactly. If you have a digital license, sign in with the same Microsoft account and choose the link to apply it instead. Windows will validate the key, download feature components, and install the Pro features. This can trigger 1 to 3 restarts. Make sure your device stays plugged in and connected to the internet during this phase. Once the installation finishes, verify the result and finish configuration steps. Open Settings System about to confirm your addition reads Windows Pro and check activation to ensure it says activated. If activation fails, run the activation troubleshooter and sign in to the Microsoft account that holds the digital license. The troubleshooter often fixes common errors. Finally, make sure drivers and specialized apps function. Reinstall or update drivers if hardware behaves oddly. If nothing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.